Personal presentation. Alexander Ramirez Alzate. My name is Alexander Ramirez Alzate. I am 33 years old. I am from Bogotá, Colombia. I live in Villaluz. I work as a project technical supervisor. I love playing soccer and I like to share time with my family. I live with my son and my wife. Currently, I'm studying industrial engineering at UNAD. As I mentioned before, my family is made up of my wife, my son, and me. And we have a dog called Gongo. My son is Juan Sebastián. He is 8 years old. He studies. He is second grade. He is from Bogotá, Colombia too. My son is very special. He is short. His hair is short and brown. His eyes are brown. He has a small nose and a small mouth. He likes to play soccer. My wife is Sandra. She is 30 years old. She is studying business administration. She works as a quality analyst. She is from Bogotá. My wife is beautiful. She has long and black hair. She is short. She has a small nose. We like to share time together.